Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Chelsea and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my lash extensions at home. And I know I have a video like this, but guys, this new method I'm about to show you in this video is going to change your life. Like, this is so quick, so easy, and so inexpensive. I can literally do this anywhere at home. Like, it's so easy, literally anyone can do it, and it looks so good as well. So I'm going to be using this DIY lash extension kit by Veyes, and as you can see, it literally comes with everything you need for your lash extensions. And I also have a promo code for you guys, which is CC10. I'm going to put the link down in the description down below and the products I am using. So I'm gonna start my lashes now, and I literally didn't know what to expect. This was my first time trying it, and I'm also going to be starting with a bare face and no makeup on my eyes because we don't want that when you're doing lash extensions. So I'm going to be using this like tweezer tool, which was new to me because as a lash tech I would usually use the really sharp ones, but this is good because it's way safer for people to use. And they also have a double-sided lash bond and lash seal, which is really convenient. And here is my lash map for anybody who would like to try out the same style. So now I'm just going to be applying the bonder to my eyelashes, and you literally just apply it like mascara all over your lashes, but you don't put too much because it does get very tacky. And it is super easy because the brush is small, which makes the application accurate. So when I was filming, I didn't know I was this close to the camera, like you can literally see everything. And by the way, this process did not hurt like in any way, shape or form, or burn or anything like that. But yeah, the way I'm holding on to my eyes, wow, jump scare. But yeah, let's just get into the next step. So applying the lashes, this was like the first lash I ever applied, and it did not go to plan, and I just decided to show you because I didn't get it at first, but my second try was literally perfect and it stuck right on. And also guys, the glue is very sticky, so as you can see it kind of held onto the tweezer, but it's because of the angle that I was pointing the tweezers to. By the way guys, this was literally my first time applying eyelashes under my eyes because I never was able to do it, and the reason is because I never found the right angle, but I found the right angle for the mirror and I was really comfortable with this way, and it came out really well in the end. As you guys can see, the process is very easy, and the more you go along, the quicker it is and easier it is to do. Now one eye is done, I'm literally going to move into the next eye using the exact same process. Also, what I like about this glue is you don't have to keep reapplying the lash bond glue because it's not quick drying, sorry. So when you apply your lash extensions, you don't have to worry about reapplying glue, which is really convenient, especially for beginners. So now both eyes are done. I was literally obsessed already. Like, I did not expect it to look this good, and it was not individual lash extension, and it took me the fraction of the time. But now I'm going to be using the lash seal, and I'm just going to be sealing all of my lash extensions together. But yeah, now I am done, guys. I am literally obsessed with how they came out, and I'm still obsessed. I've been getting so many compliments on them. They just compliment my eyes so much. I love the way the lash kit is. So easy to use. Anyone can use it at home. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. Bye, loves.